to meet your characters from. I still don't have a name for it because I made these all in one row. So they'll have a name in the title, but they won't have a name right now. So this is Luke. He's the guy that went down and saved everyone. This guy is the guy that lived in the nearby village that got swallowed first. He is the police officer, and here, the biggest one of all. Here's our Pterosact. He played a big role in this. And also the Play-Doh did too. But that concludes the behind the scenes and the meet your characters for whatever this thing is going to be called.